Welcome back to Smart AI World. In 2025, AI is more powerful than ever, and it's not just for tech experts. Anyone can use AI to start making money online, even with no experience. Today, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly ways to start earning with AI this year. Stick around until the end, because these are methods anyone can try right now. Method 1. Freelancing with AI tools. One of the fastest ways to make money is freelancing with AI. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of people looking for services like blog writing, logo design, resume editing. And here's the secret, you don't have to do it all manually. AI tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and Canva AI help you create professional results in minutes. For example, if a client asks for a blog article, you can generate a draft with Copy.ai, polish it in ChatGPT, and deliver it much faster than traditional freelancers. Faster work equals more clients, more income. Method 2. AI content creation. YouTube, TikTok, blogs. Next, content creation. In 2025, AI makes it easier than ever. You can use ChatGPT or Jasper to write scripts, and CapCut or 11 Labs to create AI voices. Want to make a YouTube channel without showing your face? Use stock clips, animations, or AI-generated images. You can also start a blog. AI tools can write optimized articles, and you earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The beauty of this method, once the content is published, it keeps earning you money while you sleep. Method 3. Selling AI art and graphics. Third, let's talk about AI art. AI tools like Midjourney and Leonardo.ai create stunning designs in seconds. You can turn those designs into t-shirts, posters, or stickers and sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify. For example, someone might buy a $20 t-shirt that only cost you $2 to produce. AI art is huge right now, and customers love unique designs. Method 4. AI website building with Durable.co. Fourth, you can build websites with AI. Durable.co lets you type in a business name and industry, and in seconds, it creates a full website. Now imagine offering this as a service. Small businesses need websites, but they don't want to spend thousands of dollars. You could charge $200 to $500 per site, and AI helps you deliver in minutes. Method 5. Affiliate marketing with AI. Finally, affiliate marketing. Normally, creating product reviews and emails takes hours, but with ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and Jasper, you can generate blog posts, product reviews, email sequences. Then, promote affiliate products from Amazon, ClickBank, or DG Store 24. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid, without handling products or shipping. And that's it for part 1, 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI in 2025. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, these are methods you can start today with little or no investment. But wait, there's more. In part 2, I'll share 5 advanced and creative AI money-making ideas that could change your future. Don't miss it. Subscribe to Smart AI World, and let me know in the comments, which method will you try first?